C-5 Super Galaxy, the Air Force's largest plane, is something to see. The largest aircraft in the U.S. Air Force's inventory is the Lockheed C-5 Super Galaxy. Indeed, the C-5 is one of the biggest aircraft in operation anywhere. The Super Galaxy is a behemoth, measuring 247 feet long and 65 feet tall. Its wingspan stretches 222 feet, and the total wing area occupies 6,200 square feet. The C-5's great size allows the jet to conduct vital airlift operations around the world. "We started to build the C-5 and wanted to build the biggest thing we could," said General Dwayne H. Cassidy, the former head of the Military Airlift Command. Yet in its early years, the C-5 program was a technical and fiscal disaster. The C-5M Super Galaxy Strategic Transport Aircraft, a modernized version of the legacy C-5, was designed and manufactured by Lockheed Martin to extend the capability of the C-5 Galaxy fleet to remain in service at least until 2040. The C-5M aircraft is operated by the U.S. Air Force, USAF. The USAF initiated a two-phase upgrade program to transform the C-5 aircraft fleet into the C-5M Super Galaxy. Under the program, Lockheed Martin modernized 52 C-5 aircraft, including 49 C-5BS, 2 C-5CS, and 1 C-5A by 2017. The company delivered 16 C-5M aircraft by December 2013. The C-5M Super Galaxy transport aircraft achieved initial operational capability, IOC, in February 2014. The aircraft set 89 world aeronautical records to date. The 433rd Airlift Wing C-5M Super Galaxy aircraft was exhibited at the Stars and Stripes Air Show in Texas, U.S., in February 2020. Details of the C-5 Galaxy modernization program. The C-5 Galaxy was modernized in two phases involving the Avionics Modernization Program, AMP, and Reliability Enhancement and Re-engining Program, RERP. Lockheed Martin secured a $454 million contract for the first phase of the upgrade in January 1999. The AMP is aimed at upgrading the cockpit of the C-5 fleet. The contract for the second phase was awarded in December 2001. It includes the installation of new engines, pylons, thrust reversers, and wing attachment fittings to the C-5 Galaxy aircraft. The first C-5 aircraft upgraded as part of AMP completed its maiden flight in December 2002 and was delivered to the USAF in October 2004. The second phase began in October 2004 was concluded in May 2006, renaming the modernized aircraft C-5M Super Galaxy. The first of the three C-5M test aircraft performed a maiden flight in June 2006 and was delivered to the USAF for operational testing and evaluation in December 2008. The second and third aircraft completed their first flights in November 2006 and March 2007 respectively. The USAF approved the upgrade of 49 additional aircraft, including 47 C-5BS and 2 C-5CS, under the RERP in February 2008. The C-5M Super Galaxy transport aircraft offers greater reliability and efficient performance at reduced operating and life cycle costs. It integrates more than 70 enhancements and requires reduced maintenance per flight hour. The aircraft has a length of 75.53 m, a height of 19.84 m, and a wingspan of 67.91 m. The operating and maximum takeoff weights of the aircraft are 181,437 kilograms and 381,018 kilograms respectively. The aircraft has a fuel capacity of 150,819 kilograms and payload carrying capacity of 129,274 kilograms. The aircraft is equipped with 5 sets of landing gears with a total of 28 wheels. Cockpit and cargo compartment of C-5 Galaxy. The advanced glass cockpit integrates a multi-mode communication suite, a mission computer, enhanced navigation radios, digital autopilot, multifunctional display units, flight management system, safety equipment, and surveillance components. It is also fitted with built-in controls and diagnostic systems for the identification of maintenance requirements. The cockpit also features integrated data link capabilities and situational awareness displays, as well as provides predictive flight performance cues and improved situational awareness to the crew. The C-5M Super Galaxy can carry more air-transportable cargo than the C-5 aircraft and be loaded with cargo quickly and efficiently. The dedicated passenger compartment of the aircraft accommodates troops and their supplies.